Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix Discord stuck on starting. So what you need to do is just first of all right click on your taskbar and go inside the task manager. And once you're inside the task manager, so you will see all these options or like this one. So just go inside the startup apps. And once you're inside the startup apps, so make sure to find the Discord here. As you can see, like this is the Discord update. Make sure that it is enabled. Or if it is already enabled, make sure to disable it and re-enable it from this option. Once you do that, hopefully your issue will be fixed. But let's say that you're still facing the issue. So what you need to do is just close the taskbar, and again you will see the Discord. If you have opened it on the right side, just right click on it, and as you can see, check for updates, acknowledgement, quit Discord. You can just quit Discord and restart it. If you still face the issue, just click on check for updates and make sure that you have active internet connection. You can also switch the internet connection and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So once you do all these things, hopefully your Discord problem will be fixed.